Pangasinan 4th District Representative Toff De Venecia is gushing over this peanut butter. It's made by a cooperative of farmers in Barangay Tempra Girig in San Fabian Town. After visiting the farmers' workstation, De Venecia showered praises on the peanut butter and its creators. The peanuts are harvested from members of the co-op's farmlands. If there are no available peanuts, they buy it from nearby towns. To advance their skills, the farmers undergo training and join various government programs. The peanut butter just found a new endorser.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.